How much should you actually spend on an airbrush kit? It's interesting because some people are thrilled with cheap options while others are left disappointed by pricier ones. Let's cut through the confusion and find out which airbrush kits truly deliver for car enthusiasts. Product number 1, Master Airbrush Cool Runner II Kit. The Master Airbrush Cool Runner II Airbrush Kit is a solid pick priced at $129.99. It's packed with 3 user-friendly airbrushes, a dual-fan air compressor, and even a how-to manual. If you want a comprehensive setup that covers a lot of ground, this is worth a serious look. This kit features a powerful 1.5 HP compressor that keeps things cool while you work. With an airflow capacity of 0.8 cubic feet per minute, it ensures you can keep painting without interruptions. The 3 airbrushes included allow for a range of projects from fine details to broader strokes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're doing custom graphics on your car or painting models, having the right tools makes a world of difference. Now, some users have mentioned that the compressor can be a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, for the price and performance, this isn't a deal breaker. It's about finding that balance between functionality and comfort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-in-one kit that doesn't skimp on quality. Skip this one if you prefer something more portable without the compressor. Honestly, for what you get, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the noise factor bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a quieter design. Product number 2, Core Art Airbrush Paint Set. Next up is the Core Art Airbrush Paint Set, retailing for just $18.99. This kit comes with 33 vibrant colors, including metallics and fluorescents, plus thinners and primers. If you want to achieve striking finishes on your projects, this one's worth checking out. What's great about this paint set is its eco-friendly, water-based formula. Plus, with a high-gloss finish and quick drying time, you can layer your designs seamlessly. Here's why this matters. If you're painting model cars or doing intricate work, you need colors that adhere well and look sharp. However, some users noted that the paint can sometimes require additional thinning. But honestly, that's pretty normal with many airbrush paints, and the included thinners make it easy to adjust. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking to add flair to your projects. Skip this one if you prefer oil-based paints or need something ultra-specific. For the price, it offers fantastic variety and quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want precision. Product number 3, Gachir Airbrush Kit. The Gachir Airbrush Kit is priced at $63.65 and offers an impressive setup. It includes 3 different nozzle sizes and operates at a high pressure of 40 psi. If you want an airbrush that adapts to your needs, this is definitely worth a look. This kit boasts a dual-action design that allows for precise control over both air and paint flow. That means you can create fine details or broad strokes as needed. With an airflow capacity of 10 liters per minute, it's powerful enough for various applications, from cake decoration to automotive touch-ups. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The versatile nozzle sizes ensure you can tackle any project with ease. Some users have mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to clean. Here's the thing though, a good cleaning routine will keep it running smoothly, and it's a small price to pay for such versatility. This is perfect for you if you value flexibility and want to work on different projects. Skip this one if you're looking for an ultra-simple, no-fuss option. For the price, it delivers great performance and adaptability. Now, if cleaning hassle is a concern for you, the next product might be more your style with a user-friendly design. Product number 4, Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose Kit. The Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose Airbrush Kit comes in at $69.99. This portable kit includes a mini air compressor and a dual-action gravity-feed airbrush. If you need something compact and effective, this one's worth considering. This setup is designed for both beginners and professionals, making it super user-friendly. The gravity feed design really helps with consistent delivery of paint, which is crucial for achieving smooth finishes. Here's why this matters. You want your paint to go on evenly, especially when working on detailed projects. On the downside, some users found the mini compressor a bit underpowered for larger projects, But honestly, for its intended use, it's great and still gets the job done effectively. This is perfect for you if you're traveling or need something lightweight. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty compressor for larger jobs. For the price, it's a solid investment for portability and function. Now, if you want a similar setup but with a bit more power, the last product might just be the one for you. Product number 5, Master Airbrush Mini C16G Kit. Lastly, we have the Master Airbrush Mini C16G Kit, also at $69.99. This kit packs a punch with its mini compressor and a dual-action airbrush. If you want a reliable setup without breaking the bank, this is worth your time. What's neat about this kit is its portability combined with performance. Plus, the included 6-foot hose gives you flexibility in movement while you work. Here's why this matters. Having the freedom to maneuver can really enhance your workflow, especially when working on larger pieces. A few users did mention that the hose could feel a bit stiff. But here's the thing, it's something that usually loosens up with use, and a little patience goes a long way. This is perfect for you if you need an accessible kit that balances performance and portability. Skip this one if you prefer a more heavy-duty setup. For its cost, it's a fantastic deal. And that wraps up our list of top airbrush kits. So to recap, we've explored the Master Airbrush Cool Runner II, Core Art Airbrush Paint Set, Gachir Airbrush Kit, Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose Kit, and the Master Airbrush Mini C16G Kit. Each brings something unique to the table, whether it's versatility, portability, or a great paint selection. Pick the one that best suits your needs and happy airbrushing.